Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Hani. I'm Hani. Today, we will talk about the weather and how to speak about it like a native English speaker. Imagine this. You are in an elevator. A work friend says, "Nice weather today." You want to answer, but you freeze. You know it's sunny, but all you say is, "Yes, good." The talk stops, and you both stand there feeling strange. Talking about the weather is not just about the weather, it's about making a friendly connection. This happens everywhere. At the bus stop, someone sees dark clouds and says, "Looks like rain." Your heart beats fast. You understand the words, but your mind is empty. You just nod and look away. You lose a chance to talk. Does this sound like you? You are not alone. Many people learning English feel the same every day. But today, we will change that. This is going to be fun. Day 9 is about being confident with weather talk. Talking about the weather is something people do all over the world. It's your easy way to speak to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Today's lesson has 80 useful phrases for all kinds of weather. Real-life short talks. Your own weather practice challenge for today. When we finish, you will have easy ways to start a talk, make friends, and speak English with more confidence. Are you ready to always have something to say about the weather? Let's make your small talk better right now. 80 phrases sounds like a lot? Don't worry. You can save this video and watch it again anytime. You can also use the chapters in the description to find the part you want to practice. Here are your 80 weather phrases, great for beginners. I will say each one 3 times at normal speed, like a native speaker. 1 time, slowly and clearly, so you can hear each word. 1 more time at normal speed for final practice. Remember, don't just say the words after me. Copy the way I say them. Copy the pauses, the sound, and the feeling. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the flow. Train your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. Pretend you're me when you speak. You are not just learning English, you are living English. You are training your brain to think and speak like a native. This is your big chance to change the way you speak. Don't miss it. Now say the phrases after me. Ready? Let's start. Sunny weather and nice days. Perfect for good weather days. Nice day, right? Nice day, right? Nice day, right? The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. A great day for a walk. A great day for a walk. A great day for a walk. I like days like this. I like days like this. I like days like this. The sun is out. The sun is out. The sun is out. Such a lovely day. Such a lovely day. Such a lovely day. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. Rainy weather and storms. Use these when it's wet outside. Looks like rain. Looks like rain. Looks like rain. It's raining a lot. It's raining a lot. It's raining a lot. Did you hear thunder? Did you hear thunder? Did you hear thunder? Heavy rain today. Heavy rain today. Heavy rain today. It rained all morning. It rained all morning. It rained all morning. The storm has stopped. The storm has stopped. The storm has stopped. I got wet today. I got wet today. I got wet today. Rain helps plants grow. Rain helps plants grow. Rain helps plants grow. Cold weather and winter. Perfect for chilly days. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. Winter is near. Winter is near. Winter is near. I can see my breath. I can see my breath. I can see my breath. It got cold fast. It got cold fast. It got cold fast. It got cold fast. It might snow tonight. It might snow tonight. It might snow tonight. I need to get warm. I need to get warm. I need to get warm. Roads are icy. Roads are icy. Roads are icy. Very cold today. Very cold today. Very cold today. I want spring soon. I want spring soon. I want spring soon. My heat bill is high. My heat bill is high. My heat bill is high. I like the snow. I like the snow. I like the snow. Cold but clear. Cold but clear. Cold but clear. More snow is coming. More snow is coming. More snow is coming. I want warm days. I want warm days. I want warm days. Nice winter day. Nice winter day. Nice winter day. Spring is coming. Spring is coming. Spring is coming. Hot weather and summer. Great for warm days. It's hot and sticky. It's hot and sticky. It's hot and sticky. I need shade. I need shade. I need shade. AC feels good. AC feels good. AC feels good. Very hot today. Very hot today. Very hot today. Beach weather today. Beach weather today. Beach weather today. I feel too hot. I feel too hot. I feel too hot. Weather predictions and forecasts. Great for planning and future talk. What's the forecast? What's the forecast? What's the forecast? Rain is coming later. Rain is coming later. Rain is coming later. Forecast says sunny. Forecast says sunny. Forecast says sunny. Hope it won't rain. Hope it won't rain. Hope it won't rain. Warmer tomorrow. Warmer tomorrow. Warmer tomorrow. Storm tonight. Storm tonight. Storm tonight. Weather will be clear. Weather will be clear. Weather will be clear. Beautiful day ahead. Beautiful day ahead. Beautiful day ahead. Weather changes and transitions. Perfect for describing weather patterns. Weather is changing. Weather is changing. Weather is changing. Clouds are coming. Clouds are coming. Clouds are coming. It's getting colder. It's getting colder. It's getting colder. It's getting warm. It's getting warm. It's getting warm. So different from yesterday. So different from yesterday. So different from yesterday. The weather got bad. The weather got bad. The weather got bad. Sky cleared after lunch. Sky cleared after lunch. Sky cleared after lunch. Storm passed fast. Storm passed fast. Storm passed fast. Weather conversation starters. Natural ways to start weather conversations. How's the weather for you? How's the weather for you? How's the weather for you? Can you believe this? Can you believe this? Can you believe this? What do you think of this? What do you think of this? What do you think of this? Crazy weather today. Crazy weather today. Crazy weather today. This weather is good for. This weather is good for. This weather is good for. I enjoy this weather. I enjoy this weather. I enjoy this weather. Not my kind of weather. Not my kind of weather. Not my kind of weather. At least no rain. At least no rain. At least no rain. Describing weather conditions. More specific ways to describe what you feel. It's very humid. It's very humid. It's very humid. The air feels heavy. The air feels heavy. The air feels heavy. Sky looks gray. Sky looks gray. Sky looks gray. What bad weather. What bad weather. What bad weather. Light rain outside. Light rain outside. Light rain outside. The sky is clearing. The sky is clearing. The sky is clearing. It feels muggy. It feels muggy. It feels muggy. Weather keeps changing. Weather keeps changing. Weather keeps changing. Extreme weather and reactions for dramatic weather situations. Heavy rain outside. Heavy rain outside. Heavy rain outside. So much rain. So much rain. So much rain. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. This heat is too much. This heat is too much. This heat is too much. The wind is loud. The wind is loud. The wind is loud. Rain is very heavy. Rain is very heavy. Rain is very heavy. I'm very wet. I'm very wet. I'm very wet. Very hot today. Very hot today. Very hot today. Fantastic. Now let's use these weather sentences in 3 fun situations today. Here's how it will go. Situation 1. Office chat. I have Sam joining us to help with the first practice. Sam will be my speaking partner. Copy us and say both parts out loud. Sam. Good morning, Sam. How was your weekend? You. It was good, but I got caught in that big storm yesterday. Sam. Oh no, it was raining so hard. Yes, I know. Did you hear that thunder? It was so loud. Sam. Yes, it woke me up in the night. But today is so beautiful. No clouds at all. You. I love days like this. Great weather for a walk. Sam. For sure. I might eat my lunch outside. Nice idea. Such good weather after yesterday's rain. Sam. I heard it will be sunny all week. You. Really? That's great news. I want more days like this. Sam. Me too. It makes me feel happy. You. Yes, the sun is so bright today. See, we started talking about the weather, but then we spoke about our weekend and our plans. That's how weather talk helps us connect. Situation 2. Winter in a cafe. Now let's try a cold season. Winter. You. Burr, it's very cold outside. Sam. Wear warm clothes if you go out later. The temperature went down last night. You. Really? I like fresh snow, but the roads might be icy. Sam. True, but the air is so clear today. You. I can't wait for spring. Sam. I know, but I will enjoy the cozy feeling now. You. Same here. Nice. Winter talks feel warm and friendly. Now let's try summer. Situation 3. Summer afternoon. It's so hot and wet today. Sam. The air conditioner is saving me. You. Yes. I wish I was at the beach. Same? Same here, but at least we will have a nice sunset tonight. You. True. Great for sitting outside. Sam. I hope the weather stays like this for the weekend. Good. Now you can talk about weather in any season. Your weather talk practice plan? Look. Go to your window now. What is the weather? Sunny, cloudy, hot, cold, windy, raining? Choose phrases. Pick 3 sentences from today's lesson to say what you see. Example, it's sunny today. Nice weather today. Perfect day for a walk. Speak. Say your 3 sentences clearly. Say each 3 times. Use today. Say 1 sentence to a real person. This can be someone at work, at the shop, your neighbor, a friend, or family. The World Weather Sharing Challenge. Tell us in the comments. Your name. First name or nickname is fine. Where you are, city or country. The weather now in your place. Give details. How this weather makes you feel. Happy, tired, excited, etc. 1 sentence from today's lesson you want to use. Your favorite. Where you will use it. Work, shop, friends, etc. Write as much as you want. When you share, you help our whole group feel more connected. I read every comment. And I love to know about the weather in different places and your English progress. This is not just homework. It's how we make a world group of confident English speakers who can talk about weather anywhere. Remember, weather is something everyone can talk about. It is happening right now where you are. Everyone feels something about it. It is the easiest way to start a talk. Every weather moment is a chance to speak. Every forecast is a chance to practice. Every season gives you new word. You are not only learning weather words, you are learning how to start a talk anywhere, change silence into real conversation, make people feel comfortable with you. I can't wait to read your weather story. Whether you have hot sun, light rain, heavy snow, or something else, tell us. Your story matters. It helps all of us practice these sentences together. Thanks for being part of our group. Like this video if you want to be great at weather talk. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. See you tomorrow. I will read every comment. Keep talking with confidence. Until then, stay warm, stay cool, and stay connected.